In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue with your microphone not working during FaceTime calls on your iPhone. If you've ever struggled with friends or family not being able to hear you during a call, you're not alone. This is a common issue, but fortunately it's fairly simple to resolve. So let's dive right in and get your microphone working again. First, you'll want to ensure that the mute button isn't activated during your FaceTime call. This might sound obvious, but it's quite easy to accidentally toggle the mute button, which is represented by the microphone icon. If this icon is highlighted, your microphone is muted. Make sure to turn off this feature and your voice should come through loud and clear on the call. Next, it's a good idea to check if your microphone works in other applications. This will help you determine if the problem is exclusive to FaceTime or if it's a wider issue. To do this, try using apps like voice memos or your camera, specifically the video function. Record something quick and play it back. If you can hear yourself, then we know the microphone is functioning outside of FaceTime. Now let's move on to checking your privacy settings. Sometimes the microphone may accidentally be turned off for specific apps, including FaceTime. Head over to the settings on your iPhone, then navigate to privacy, and look for the microphone section. Here, make sure that FaceTime has permission to access the microphone. If it's not enabled, simply toggle the switch to grant the necessary permission. If you've checked these settings and the microphone still isn't working, try restarting the FaceTime app. To do this, close the app by swiping up from the bottom of your screen or double pressing the home button if you have one, and then swipe the FaceTime app off the screen to close it. Once it's closed, reopen it and try making your call again. Often a quick restart of the app can solve minor glitches. Finally, if none of these steps have worked, it might be time to restart your iPhone. This can often resolve temporary software issues that might be affecting the performance of the microphone. Simply hold down the power button until you see the option to power off, swipe to turn off, and after your device has fully powered down, turn it back on. There you have it. Follow these steps and your microphone should be back to working order in no time. If you still encounter issues, it may be worth contacting Apple support for further assistance, but often these simple fixes can resolve the problem. Thanks for watching and I hope this guide has been helpful.